There's a technique we always teach by setting the glass on the table, and you can start your swirl on the table, and then you can eliminate one of our senses. While your nose is pinched, I want you to take a little sip of the wine. And I want you to keep your nose pinched and hold it on your palate for 4 or 5 seconds and reevaluate the wine. And then after 4 or 5 seconds, please taste. Very different experience. Again, now let's pick up glass 2. Let's give this a little swirl. And if you get this richness to the wine, this butteriness, this is exactly what the oak brings as far as a flavor contributor. All right? Please taste. Pay attention to the very back of your palate, the very end of your sip. It's exactly what this glass is designed to do. Deliver that beautiful fruit up front and that wonderful oak component, that barrel component in the back. We have our Cabernet and our Cabernet glass. Let's give this a swirl. Let's nose this delicious black fruit, this jamminess we love about Cabernet. Let's taste. The velvetiness of the wine, texture. Step 1, we catch the outside of the glass just like this. We turn the glass here as opposed to here. The other part of step 1 is pushing the cloth up inside, polishing just like this. Cheers, and thank you so much.